In this video, I will be showing you step by step how to set up your business in seconds. Without wasting time, let us dive right into this video. If you have many ideas for different businesses and projects, then Mixo can be very useful. When you have a new idea, it's really good if you can kind of prove the concept. Mixo can help you do that by creating a website for your idea. This way, you can start to build interest and see if it's worth pursuing. I will leave a link to Mixo in the description below. If you have an idea that you want to bring to life, simply go to Mixo and enter your startup idea. For example, let's say you have an idea for an app that connects strangers who want to go to the gym together. You could call it the Gym Buddy app for people who prefer to work out with a partner. Mixo will then generate a website for your idea. The AI will design a logo, create images, write sales copy, code the website, and optimize its SEO. The result will be a complete website, ready for us to view. Mixo's AI technology created a website called Gym Pair from scratch. The website includes a hero page, including images, text, and a full design. The purpose of the website is to collect emails from people who are interested in your upcoming launch and build an email list. When you launch your product or service, you can monetize it using the email list collected from the website. Alternatively, you can use the email list to market other products to the same people. All the emails collected will be stored and can be exported for future marketing efforts. You can also customize the website and change anything you want. If you have a long-term vision, Mixo can help you get started and keep you motivated. By taking action and putting your ideas into action immediately, you can get your business up and running on a domain in no time. It's important to note that Mixo is not a tool that will instantly make you money. However, it is a smart piece of software that can greatly help you when building a business. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe for more business boosting tips and tricks.